Module 10. Maintenance, Troubleshooting, and Professional Best Practices in CCTV and Smart Automation. Module Overview. Proper installation of CCTV and smart automation systems is only the first step. For systems to remain efficient, secure, and reliable over time, maintenance and professional management are essential. Module 10 provides a comprehensive understanding of preventive maintenance, diagnostic procedures, troubleshooting techniques, optimization strategies, and industry best practices. This module is critical for technicians, system integrators, and security professionals who aim to maintain high system uptime, prevent failures, and ensure compliance with operational and legal standards. 1. Preventive maintenance in CCTV and smart automation routine inspections. Check camera housings, mounts, and lens cleanliness. Inspect cabling, Ethernet, power, coaxial for wear and tear. Test environmental protections, weatherproofing, surge protection. Firmware and software updates. Regularly update camera, NVR/DVR, and automation hub firmware. Ensure updates do not interrupt critical surveillance periods. Battery and power checks. Inspect UPS systems and PoE power injectors. Verify backup systems for NVRS and smart hubs. Data management. Verify storage space, NVR, NAS, or cloud. Check retention schedules to ensure compliance with regulations. 2. Troubleshooting common CCTV issues. Camera offline. Check IP configuration, network connection, and PoE supply. Ping the camera to confirm network visibility. Poor video quality. Inspect lens cleanliness, focus, exposure, and lighting conditions. Adjust bitrate, resolution, or compression settings. Latency and streaming delays. Check bandwidth and network congestion. Optimize video compression and frame rates. AI analytics misfires. Adjust detection zones and sensitivity. Validate firmware or AI engine settings. Access issues, remote monitoring. Confirm VPN, DDNS, or cloud connectivity. Verify port forwarding, router firewall, and bandwidth. 3. Maintenance in smart automation systems device. Health checks. Test sensors, smart locks, smart lights, HVAC integration. Ensure device firmware is up to date. Automation rule. Verification. Regularly test triggers for correct functionality at GS motion lights. Confirm IoT integrations and cloud connectivity. Network health. Inspect switch, router, and access points for uptime and load. Use monitoring tools. SNMP dashboards for real-time alerts. 4. Optimization techniques. Network optimization. Segment CCTV and automation traffic using VLANs. Implement QoS, quality of service, for high-priority devices. Storage optimization. Use H.265 compression for reduced storage usage. Schedule periodic archival and cloud backup for long-term retention. AI and smart analytics optimization. Calibrate AI zones and sensitivity. Avoid false positives by refining analytics rules. Energy efficiency. Smart scheduling for cameras, lights, and IoT devices. Integrate sensors to reduce idle power consumption. 5. Professional best practices. Documentation. Maintain detailed system diagrams, IP address lists, and device inventories. Compliance. Follow local privacy, security, and data retention regulations. GDPR, NDPR, HIPAA, etc. Training and skills development. Stay updated on AI, networking, and smart automation trends. Participate in manufacturer workshops and certification programs. Client reporting and service logs. Maintain logs of maintenance, troubleshooting, firmware updates, and incidents. Redundancy and risk management. Install backup NVRS, cloud failover, and redundant network links. Plan for disaster recovery and emergency scenarios. 6. Case studies and practical applications. Commercial office scenario routine maintenance prevents downtime of 50+ IP cameras. Cloud backup ensures video evidence is retained securely. Smart residential setup. Regular firmware updates prevent intrusions via smart locks and cameras. AI triggers lights and alerts residents of suspicious activities. Industrial facility. Sensor integrated automation ensures safety compliance. Scheduled network optimization avoids system latency during peak operational hours. Key learning outcomes. By completing Module 10, you will be able to perform comprehensive preventive maintenance for CCTV and smart automation systems. Troubleshoot hardware, network, and software issues efficiently. Optimize network, storage, and AI analytics performance. Implement professional best practices in documentation, reporting, and client management. Ensure system security, reliability, and compliance over time.